What is up, everyone? I'm about to rip the RC 4-wheel drive Trailfinder 2 long wheelbase black Toyota. Looks an awful lot like the Back to the Future truck in the woods. See what we can find. Almost certain now there's beavers around there. Look over there. I keep hearing stuff like they're stalking me. Good run. The only downside, I lost one of my KC light buckets, but I'm pretty sure I know where it's at. So I might have a treasure hunt later. Other than that, this truck's always been fun. It's, you know, Trailfinder 2. She's probably got some extra scratches on it now, but hey, I bought it to drive it, not to just stare at it. So, till next time, everyone. Later.